Hello and welcome to this video about artificial intelligence replacing humans. In recent years, there has been a lot of hype and controversy surrounding AI and its potential to replace human workers. In this video, we'll be diving deep into this topic to explore the different ways in which AI is being used in various industries, the potential impacts of these developments on employment, and what the future may hold for the relationship between humans and AI. AI is being used in a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images, such as X-rays and CT scans, to assist in diagnoses and treatment planning. In finance, AI is being used to analyze market trends and make investment recommendations. In manufacturing, AI is being used to optimize production processes and improve efficiency. But AI is not just being used in these industries, it's also being used in customer service, where AI-powered chatbots can answer frequently asked questions and assist with basic tasks. It's also being used in transportation, where self-driving cars and trucks are being developed. One of the major concerns surrounding AI is its potential to replace human workers. It's true that AI has the potential to automate certain tasks and even entire job functions, leading to concerns about job loss and unemployment. However, it's important to note that AI also has the potential to create new jobs. For example, the development and implementation of AI systems will require skilled professionals to design, program, and maintain them. Additionally, as AI takes over certain tasks, it may free up human workers to focus on more creative and higher-level work. It's also worth considering that the impact of AI on employment will likely vary across different industries and job roles. Some jobs may be more easily automated than others, and some industries may be more impacted by AI than others. So, what does the future hold for the relationship between humans and AI? It's hard to say for sure, but it's likely that AI will continue to play an increasingly important role in various industries and aspects of our lives. It's important for society to carefully consider the ethical implications of these developments and to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared widely. At the same time, it's also important for individuals to consider how they can adapt and upskill in the face of these changes. As AI continues to advance, it will be important for workers to stay current with new technologies and to develop skills that are complementary to, rather than competitive with, AI. In conclusion, AI is being used in a wide range of industries and has the potential to both replace and create jobs. It's important for society to carefully consider the ethical implications of these developments and for individuals to adapt and upskill in the face of these changes. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking.